Hala.
It's not a flop because it wasn't even supposed to be adventure.
Yeah. So guys, it started raining. I have enjoyed myself. Hi guys, so this video is long overdue. I shot this video back in January last year, so you can imagine, but yeah, I hope you get to enjoy this short video. So we were to come to Ololua. This is gonna be in my next vlog. We're so late, it's almost 5, so this vlog is a flop. Thanks to Hala.
It's not a flop because it wasn't even supposed to happen. So late.
What's that? Really?
Yeah. Hala? Hala?
Straight up, Angie has just lied to you people. Okay, we're on the right track. This is the photo. In the middle of Ololua forest. The good thing is this forest doesn't have any animals. 0 animals. So if you want a nature trail where animals aren't involved, Ololua is for you.
Sex adventure.
Yeah,
This is a place.
you see? Unaona kama wale. If you want to go to the camping site, that's the route. For this route, it's cool people recycle. So we've decided to go with the cool people because we're actually cool peeps. Here, I've tried to walk as quickly as possible. So we decided to go back because the route we were headed had to ski waterfalls. Oh, I think watu unacheki pale watu wanatokea pale. Oh wow. It started raining. Na ndo tumeingia tu hapa sahi. But we are here, there's a watchtower over here. It has been raining and it's muddy and one can fall down easily. So we're trying to be extra careful. Hey, unaimagine unatembea njia yote ati sasa wamekwekea red carpet yako, you're going to your hubby down there. Wow. To say I do. Wacha tu. Alafu zile lights za nini? To fairy lights.
Wow. Hey. Unavutia hapa down.
He, niliambiwa kitabu ya wine 1200. Wa? Ndasoma online. Ndasoma online. Ama ni kitabu ndanunua. This has been a gloomy Saturday. Regardless, I have enjoyed myself. On a Saturday, when you feel like you don't want to chill at home, one hell of a gloomy Saturday, and now we're going back home. We're actually late. This place closes at 6, and then now it's almost 6:20 or 6:25. Yeah. Oof, it has been real. If you like my vlogs, please subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll appreciate. By the way, my hands are so dirty. I'm going to find a place to wash them. Toodles.